Right. Jadi kita kalau say for example misalnya kayak gini, sebelum kita saling kenal, I've talking about you man, you talking about me juga. So I still remember awal-awal kita ketemu, and then we start talking about it, and we acknowledge it, kita ketawa gitu loh ya. And I can tell you right now, gitu loh, it's so liberating bisa ngobrol kayak ini ke lu. You know what I mean? Gitu loh. And I remember waktu lu ngomong, gua tuh sebenarnya kayak gini, Zra. Gitu. Dan lu memang sosok yang penuh kontroversi juga, gitu loh. Apakah, ini gue pengen nanya sama lu, are you aware of some of the things that people say about you?
Yes.
Very aware.
Very aware.
Ini teman-teman yang cerita atau lu baca atau lu nonton atau gimana?
Oh, to me personally langsung face to face.
Ada.
Baca dari bibir ke bibir.
Yeah.
Yes, I am very aware.
What did you, lu tanggapan lu apa waktu lu awal-awal mendengar cerita-cerita kayak gitu?
First, kayaknya I cannot give you a, let's say for example, when somebody say, misalnya gue terima WhatsApp gitu. Ram, how you been? How you doing? Kalau gue jawab, oh I'm fine. Atau, oh gue lagi hancur-hancuran. Atau gue, there's two different answers kan sih. I'm fine atau gue lagi hancur. Both is a lie. Karena how am I doing as a what? As a whole? Atau how am I doing with my overall well-being? My personal stuff, my work, yang mana nih?
Right.
Gitu loh. So how are you doing? Ya kan? Ya normally gue ya some hancur-hancuran, some fine, some satisfactory, some ini yang mana ya? Lu nanya how are you doing based on basa-basi? Is that just an intro? How are you doing? Gue mampir ya ke tempat lu ya. Kebetulan gue lagi in the area. Beda dengan ada effort, lu datang jauh dari Bekasi, gue kesini gue mau ketemu lu.
Yeah.
Bukan, mumpung gue lagi in the area, gue stop by deh. You see? Beda. Jadi, hey man, how you doing, man? What's cracking, man? How you doing? How you doing? How you doing? Like, what is inside that cup of this how you doing? Is it you really want ini sampai lu stop cukup? Atau is it it's just an outro, bukan intro, outro. You know? You know? Jadi gue bukannya nge-brag about you gotta acknowledge me with full curiosity and ini, enggak. But it's about giving. Ketika you ask, you get an information. When you got an information, itu sebenarnya it's not supposed to be taken. Banyak orang tuh they take. Give it. Gitu loh. When there is information untuk whether this info is a life-changing one and it does you good, atau it does you good, actually, we took it, tapi actually it's supposed to be given. Because it's given to us. Jadi the issue is we always take. How you doing? Oh, I'm fine. Fine itu udah tersabda kan itu. Fine, it's taken. And sebenarnya kita ngasih infonya juga itu sebenarnya bukan give. We take it for it to take. Jadi it takes it. Itu loh. Nah, jadi when talk shit nih misalnya. What do you think about it? Gue bisa I can cut the cake. I say, I'm this whole fucking cake. I'm gonna cut this one. Lagi. Nah, baru gue interogasi toh. What do you think? Oh, okay, fair. What do you think? Okay. What do you think? And from cake to cake, oh man, he's evolving. Or can be, dia nggak grow. Gitu loh. Jadi, there is no right and wrong gitu. We give for it to be given. It's not paham gue, I understand. Itu sebenarnya, the more you try to understand, the more you're gonna get lost. So, try not to understand it. Understandnya lu from ring to ring. Ya kan? Lu mainin understandnya. Play with the understand. Because itu akan mancing for us to understandnya jadi lu jadi master stand sama inner stand. So it's not just understand, you understand, inner stand sama master stand. Oh. I understand why I talk about this and like this. Oh, I understand now gini. Nah, sekarang cake yang ini yang outro ketemu cake yang intro. Mereka kompak nggak? Very polarizing.
Yeah.
But they're this. They're chain to chain. Itu loh. Jadi, when I talk shit about Ezra Simanjuntak, before I explain what I felt about it, gitu, I will go to why. Bukan what. Why. Why I do. Ya kan? And then ke rootnya lagi. Rootnya why ini apa? Why? Sampai ke dalam. Gitu loh. Sampai udah gak bisa dikorek. Gitu loh. Jadi harus you outdo honesty. Wah. You outdo honesty and kalau perlu nih ya, apa namanya, di level kesadaran rendah tuh, you self-shame yourself. Yeah, you self-shame yourself, that will only turn to you. You self-surprise yourself. Whoa. So when I say why is because I've seen articles with people that talk about you. About you. Oh, negative. Oh, okay. Maybe he's right. Okay. Era mau dia. Gue copy paste. Prior, who am I talk about you? I don't even know you. Tapi gue copy paste. Oh. Tapi lazimnya kan, from what I heard, he's like this. Oh enggak, ini datang dari gue. Kenapa? Karena it's been asked to me. Ya kan? Tapi it's right. And then what? Gue nggak consistently di situ dulu, gitu loh. Gue nggak okay. For it to be above, dia harus datang from darkness dulu nih kan. Udah isitnya aja dulu. And then next time people talk, what do you think about Ezra? Wah man, he's the shit man. Orang sih loh, kok lu kontradiktif? Tadinya lu ngomongnya you talk, and now you talk. What is this? Gitu loh. It could be there's a reason, regardless itu gosip atau benar kan? When people say there's truth in it, in which angle kita lihat there's truth in it? Because even a lie, there's truth in a lie. Bukan half truth and half bullshit. Bukan. There's absolute truth inside that lie sebenarnya. Karena apa? Karena ada why-nya. Gitu loh. Nah, jadi when I say why gitu, when people talk about me, gue coba nggak itu, biarin aja. Let people talk. And the more ada haters, that only means I'm in the right lane. I'm doing right things. Yeah. You know? Yeah. haters are like marketing tim lu yang gratis. Ya kan? Oke. Nah,
Because at least people are talking about it.
right. So I inner CCTV it aja. Ya kan, Tan? Tapi dia nggak statis. I want this to grow. Nah, waktu dia grow ini, dan semakin gue kayak, wait a minute. Iya, gue begitu. So when people talk about me, itu gue balik lagi. Yeah, you're right. Gue memang,
Jadi lu bersedia mengakui
gue
kalau
begitu.
itu benar.
Iya, gue memang begitu. Because I changed.
Jadi maksudnya dulu lu begitu.
Iya, jadi I didn't allow myself anymore to lukis or draw a picture. Tapi I lukis colors. Not a picture, not a figure. Tapi lukis colors. And that's a color. Oh man, that was green. Jadi di spektrum kan gitu kan. Oh terus ya, sampai komplit spektrumnya. Kalau spektrumnya is purple gitu. The goal is purple gitu misalnya. Begitu udah nyampe purple, oh, thank you for existing, for me to exist, to grow, and I'm growing, and the growth doesn't stop yet here. It's supposed to not this yang it's served for me is not for me to be taken, tapi to acknowledge it, for it to be given. And next time when I see these people yang talk about me, I will high five them. I will high five them sambil bukan talking. I have done it sambil talk about them straight in their face, tapi high five them. Gimana tuh kan? Itu very ini kan? It's very awkward kan? Tapi at the same time, I acknowledged it. Artinya apa? Pamer that color yang dilukis itu, barcode-nya sama nggak? Kita sefrekuensi nggak nih? Kalau nggak sefrekuensi, artinya ya bukan gue ninggalin terus nggak selevel, enggak. I will degrade myself and masuk ke colornya dia ini.
Lu yang menyesuaikan.
Iya, gue akan menyesuaikan. Oke. And try to understand. Kalau udah purple kan? Oke. Nah, di sini kuncinya we have to be a good listener. We have to listen. Oke. Jangan cuma udah ngerti lah ini gue. Ini kan TK punya. Enggak, jangan gitu. Acknowledge it. Gitu. Oke. Sampai, oh iya, gue kalau di sepatu dia juga gue akan gitu juga gitu. Nah, and then baru dia bakal auto pingpong sendiri. And then it just jadi autopilot in how I want to give. Bukan ngasih informasi, tapi you give that. You're right. Nah, and sering terjadi begitu I acknowledge it. Si dia nih, sebenarnya nggak gitu juga sih Ram. Gue ngomong kayak gini, ada yang kayak gitu. Ada juga yang, oh thank you Ram, thank you. Ini. Oh berarti dia udah purple duluan nih. He saw it. Bukan he saw it coming, dia udah saw. Gitu loh. And it happened. Oh berarti, man. Kayak gitu loh. Jadi, this senior junior thing ini, man. I even learn things from my children.